Due to funding shortfalls, local agencies are directing more funding into preventive maintenance on HMA pavements in order to extend the life of the pavement.
I think typically in the past, there wasn't such an emphasis on shortage of funding, so it was a practice of use the existing pavement till it's completely deteriorated, tear it up and put new back down. Recently, the amount of existing pavement that's past its useful life is so broad, and we have such a short fundage that tearing it up and repairing all the existing ones just isn't an option. So we're trying as many ways to prolong the existing ones as we possibly can. GSB was one solution we looked at to try to offset some of the replacement with extending the life of some of our paved roads here in the county. The GSB also penetrates deep into the existing pavement. That creates a flexible pavement, which is what it was initially intended to be. It gets down deep into the pavement, so as opposed to just on the surface, it gets down into it and makes the whole thing flexible and kind of works. This GSB is more of a little bit broader. It goes over the entire area, so there's it protects from future cracks that aren't maybe existing or maybe very small. GSB that we do have down, it was a very easy process. We did the project under traffic. Didn't take very much time. It seemed to do the job it said it was going to do so far with the product.